Alright guys, 450 Sport Breaks number 85, double box of Crown Royale. So there we go. There's 4 packs in every box. Empty box. Keep the thick one for the end. We have a redemption. Pacific Choice Bronze for Dino Ciccarelli. I'm gonna have to look to who that card is gonna go, and it's the bronze. I think that's the number to 5, if I'm right. Gonna have to look. Jonathan, if you can look, the checklist, Dino Ciccarelli, which team, and the bronze, it's number to what, please. Sovereign Sings for the Columbus Blue Jacket of Tim Erickson. For the Winnipeg Jets, Heirs to the Throne of Anthony Peluso. And the big kick pack. For the North Stars, so it goes to Dallas, if I'm right, we're going to double check afterwards, of Brian Bellows silhouette. Second box, empty box. Is there a tip pack? There's a big ticker. Alright. Nice. So for the Red Wings, the Dino Ciccarelli, it's for the Red Wings and it's numbered to 5. Nice hit for Detroit. And we have a purple Pacific, another one, and that one is numbered to 25. Tyson Barrie for the Colorado Avalanche. It's our third number to 5 tonight. We had a case break before, and we had a Bob Gainey and another one which I don't remember. There's 2 autographs in that box. So one for the Capitals of Eric Fair, and one for the Vancouver Canucks of Dan Amuse. Heirs to the Throne for the Flames of Max Reinhardt. And the last pack, which is a bit thicker, is a silhouette. And we have a silhouette jersey for the LA Kings of Grant Fuhr. And $4.99 for the Florida Panthers of Eric Selleck. So, yeah. There you go, guys. Thank you very much for tuning by. And we'll be right back in a couple of minutes with the SPX.